Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing my everyday makeup look. This is my bare skin where I have zero makeup on my face, and I will be putting up little bit of makeup that I would normally do when I have to go here and there. And honestly speaking, it's been a while since I've done my makeup, and I don't even remember the last time I put on like a full shebang of face. So it's been a while since I've shared any of my life updates, and I really want to now talk to you guys, and this is going to be like a super chit chatty video. So if you're interested in watching such kind of videos, then do consider subscribing to the channel, and also do like, share and comment down below if you like anything in the video. And now let's get started. I'm using this pore primer from Insight Cosmetics, and this is like a very nice silicone primer. So I'm gonna apply it on my pores. Do you see the difference? Shine is only gone. So मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था that I've shifted here in Indore, but do I miss Hyderabad? Or let's just give you guys some tea about my life. So I have lived in Hyderabad for over a year, and honestly speaking, I don't hate that place. I have a very love-hate relationship basically. Yeah, that's the right word to say. I have a very love-hate relationship. Okay, next I'm going with the concealer. This is the Sugar Concealer in the shade 40 Breve. So when I was in Hyderabad, I loved my time there. I have always like said yes to any kind of adventure in Hyderabad. Like सच में I'm telling you guys. And ऐसा ही शायद कोई Saturday या Sunday होता होगा when I would like be at home and not do anything at all. Every Saturday Sunday I would go out. सुबह उठती थी, I would take the shower, eat some food, and I would go. There is no way that I was in the home or in my PG, to be precise, ever on any Saturday and Sunday. And it was such a great time there. But कुछ reasons भी थे. The thing was, वहाँ का खाना was just I couldn't. I just cannot tell you guys. The food. I wish I can like talk more openly about, not that I think I should, but I just don't want to like take you guys there on that chapter. So yeah, there वो सिर्फ चावल खाते हैं, and I am the person who loves roti. मैं रोटी के बिना I don't think I am full. If I don't eat roti, I don't think I'm full ever. Tell me if you relate with me, because I don't think I can survive on roti. Just I don't think so. This is ever happening. So yeah, वहाँ पे रोटी वोटी का बहुत ज़्यादा सीन था, प्लस इतना ज़्यादा pollution and traffic. I cannot even tell you the amount of pollution that they have there. Constant honking, constantly like weird noises from vehicles and everything. It is always crowded. Of course, it's a metropolitan city, so I can't really complain because that's what you get. But it was just to a point where I've started feeling like, boy, this is not it. वहाँ का पानी was really bad. I cannot even like go on it. Like I can like talk on and on it, but I don't even want to like talk about it. I'm going in with a blush. Also, I'm going for a very light look. So yeah, Hyderabad was just not it for me. I mean, see यार, वहाँ पे friends वगैरह बहुत अच्छे थे, वहाँ पे हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी थी in terms of like people, and I don't really mind visiting Hyderabad again if I get the chance to. But the food and the lifestyle that I was living there, I was not happy and satisfied with it. It was very difficult for me to keep up with the kind of food that they had and everything. And honestly, इतना बुरा हालत हो गया था मेरा, to the point because I couldn't eat rice. So every second day I would just order anything, whatever I want. I would order pizza and burgers like crazy. I literally survived on pizzas. But in Indore I feel much better. The life has become more calmer here. I don't go out as much as I used to in Hyderabad. Now I'm more like a home person. Now I'm a homebody now. I don't really like to go out that often now, and it has nothing to do with like that I'm like restricting myself or anything like that. I like this life. It's simpler, it's nicer, and it's much, what do I even say, it's just nice. Let's just be there. It's nice. Chalo, I'll give you guys some tea about my life. So the tea is that I had put on weight because of ordering so much food outside. From outside I was constantly eating burgers, pizzas, soft drinks, dosas. Masala dosa, cheese dosa was it for me. Hyderabad में DLF में where I used to live, not exactly but somewhere there only, वहाँ पर इतना टेस्टी, इतना ज़्यादा टेस्टी चीज़ डोसा मिलता था. I just had to eat it every time. I cannot even tell you, I've made my friends try it and they all also liked it. So it was really good. There's no complaints, but you know, like, because if you've lived in North for your entire life, it's difficult for you to eat rice every single time. You just cannot eat it. Breakfast में भी rice, lunch में भी rice, and dinner में भी rice. This is just not it. वहाँ पे रोटी भी अच्छा नहीं मिलता था. The next problem that I was going to talk about. But I really want to say I really enjoyed there. I mean, I have no regrets that why was I there or anything. It was my choice to be there, okay? Anytime I could say no, and when I said no, I came back. So it's no regrets. Just the fact that I miss friends there. मेरे बहुत सारे friends बन गए थे वहाँ, and I literally used to go out and I would come so late. I'm telling you, मैं बहुत late आया करती थी घर पे, and I have lived my life there. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm just so sorry about the changing lights because it's constantly like flickering and everything. I am working on my weight. I am currently loving to do my Pilates. I have become like a full Pilates girl now. I am swearing by home workouts at this point. I'm liking where this is going, where this is getting my life actually. And now I'm gonna be using lip liner from Mars. This is in the shade Scandalous Brown. And wait, इतना ज़्यादा gain भी नहीं हुआ था that कि notice में आ जाए. I mean, it was there, but then it wasn't like too much, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's one thing, that's one life update. I am loving to be here in Indore, and I hope I can share more, but I really cannot. Yeah, I mean, sometimes things go according to you and sometimes things don't. So yeah, I hope I can share more. By the way, I'm using the Rome and lip tint in the shade Almond Rose. I've reviewed it on my channel, so you should check it out. I really like it. I've also taken a little bit on my hand. I'll show you why. I'm gonna take it on my... Ooh, I'm gonna pat a little bit more. Just because I have to. Super simple, and मैं ज़्यादा story भी share नहीं कर पाई because मेरा पूरा ध्यान मेरे makeup पे था. I really wanted this makeup to go somewhere, and this is like super simple. I think the lipstick is looking a little bit, because the entire face is so subtle, it looks very on and off. And yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel यार. कर दिया करो subscribe अगर इस तरह की content और देखना है, or if you want to watch more of me, it would be really great, and I would really love to connect with you guys, because this is just the best feeling ever. I can like, to be like honest, this is the best feeling to talk to you guys, and I love talking with you guys. So yeah, please just like let me know. And now we're a community of 284 people, so we're a small community, and I really want to share my updates and my life, how it's gonna go and everything. So yeah, I love to engage with you guys, because that's where you guys actually get to know me. This is the entire purpose of the YouTube channel, to create a community when I can share with you guys anything and everything that I want. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video, and bye bye, see you next time.